Okay. Alright, we're going to do problem 5 on page 326. Okay, this is talking about a candle. And it says the graph models, this is on page 326, number 5. The graph models the height in inches of a burning candle. So it's going to burn, so the candle's going to get smaller and smaller. As a function of time in hours. Okay? So does every point in a line express a reasonable value? So the graph shows something like this. And it says this is hours. And this is I'll put it here, hours. And this is the height. Okay, and then it's going like this. So this is the graph. Do you think, does this represent reasonable values? So when we have a line, it means like every single point here on this line counts for something. Do you think this is a reasonable graph? Yes, it is reasonable, okay? Because the candle is going to go get smaller, 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 and every second counts, okay? We don't have to make a graph like this with dots like this, okay? Because the candle is going to be like 5 inches, and then it's going to be 4.2 inches, and then 3.8 and 3.677 inches. And the hours also, you can have half hour or quarter of an hour. So every point here counts. So letter A is yes, because every point, every height will count, and every minute or every second will count. Letter B says, write a linear function for the graph. Alright? So now we have to write a function for this graph. So we're studying slope-intercept form. So we're going to write something like y equals mx plus b. Alright? So we have to look at the graph, especially the one in the book, because it's got the nice drawings on it. So let's find the intercept. Okay? So where is this thing, what is the intercept? Well, the intercept is going to be this point right here. Alright, so look in the book, what is, how much is that height? 8. Okay? So this right here is 8. Okay? This height is 8. So in our equation, I'm going to put an 8 over here. So it's going to be y equals, and then I'm going to write the slope here, x plus 8. Alright? So the next thing we'll have to do is find the slope. So we can look in the graph and count how much did it go down and how much did it go over. Or we can pick 2 points and find slope, okay? Which one do you think it's easier? Oh, we can just see how much it went down and how much it went over. Huh? From here, from this point right here to this point right here, how much did it go down? Okay, because the slope is the rise over the run. I'm going to write it here. Rise and run. Okay. So how much did it rise? To go from, because we're going to count, this is the rise, which is going down. It went down from here to here, and went over from here to here. Okay? So the rise was how much? Minus 8. Very good. Minus 8, because we're going down 8. And then from here to here, how much did it move? 4. Okay? So if you look at the graph, you're going to see this is the 4, because it took 4 hours. So the slope is minus 4 over 8 is minus 2. Okay? So this number is going to go in here. Okay? So this means y minus 2x plus 8. Alright? So this is the answer to letter B. This is how we make the equation. Okay? Oh, that's pretty good. Okay? So this is is letter B. Y equals minus 2x plus 8. Letter C. A 8-second inch candle burns. Okay. A second 8-inch candle burns at a rate of 3 inches per hour. How would the graph for that candle compare with the one shown here? Okay, so let's think there's another candle. It's also 8 inches tall, okay, but it burns at 3 inches per hour. How fast is this candle burning? You can think of slope, speed, the rate, these are all the same. So how fast is this guy burning? So this is this minus 8 here. This is hours. No, this is inches, and this is hours. So how fast this thing is burning this much in this much time? Okay. So this guy is burning this original candle we're talking about. Is burning 8 inches in 4 hours. This is the same thing as 2, okay, minus 2. So this is minus 2 inches per hour, okay? 8 inches in 4 hours, 2 inches, this would be 2 inches in 1 hour, okay? So this rate is 2 inches per hour. Now we're going to talk about a new candle. The book says a new candle burns at 3 inches per hour. Okay? So this here is the speed that's burning. This is the slope of the new one. Okay? So the new candle is going to have a slope of minus 3. Okay? This is going to be the slope of the new candle. This is how fast it's going. So what this means is that it's going to be start over here at the 8, okay, and then this line here, we have to use the slope to draw this line, okay. So it means it's going to go down 3, so it's going to go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1, like that, okay. So we draw the line. Like that. Okay? It's 8 inches and it's burning 3 inches per hour. Okay? So it goes down 3 inches, 1 hour. Okay? So if you compare this graph to this graph, how would the graph for the candle compare with the one shown here? So how would this graph compare with the one shown here? What do you think? Yes, this one, perfect. This one is going to burn faster, okay? So that's exactly what we're trying to get, okay? This line is going to be steeper, okay? It's going to be more angle than this one, okay? Because this slope, this rate is faster, okay? So I'm not sure, but the 4 hours will be over here, okay? So see this slope, it takes 4 hours to get there. This guy is going to burn before 4 hours. Does that make sense? Okay. So, alright, so this was on page 326, number 5. Any other questions or comments? And then 4.